Bonjour, Chef Blaise. It's French for hello. Don't try this at home, kids. Chef Blaise is a skilled professional.
My favorite. I gotta have one. Cookie gravity is pulling me.
Resist!
I can't.
It wasn't me. I promise. What is this? Dear Blaise, I ate your cookies. I am ashamed. Signed, Tomkin. And on that note, I gotta go. See ya. Tomkin?
Oh, I feel sick. Why couldn't I stop?
Well, I think you were lacking the good old virtue of temperance.
I'm listening.
Temperance is a cardinal virtue that helps us control our actions, to have a good balance of not too much and not too little. Like eating your favorite cookies. You may be hungry, so you have a cookie, but if you eat too many, you may get sick.
Hey, Blaise. Sorry I ate your cookies.
Another note, and I quote, Dear Tomkin, the cookies were for you.
Huh?
Signed, Blaise.
Now I feel worse. Thanks, buddy. I'll save that one for later.
Good call. Until next time, remember the virtue of temperance. Not too much, and not too little. Bye now.
Goodbye.